A Gartner report on cloud infrastructure from August 2021 found that by that year, every major provider has introduced a hybrid cloud offering. It's a clear indication that some of the biggest names in cloud infrastructures think it's an excellent idea. Here at Cycloid, we agree. A robust DevOps platform can be the make-or-break element in a hybrid cloud strategy that goes the distance. Together, DevOps and Hybrid Cloud are a powerful force for transformation. But a dual move is full of pitfalls. Here's how to dodge some of the most common ones. The mindset pitfall. It's not a change in tooling, methodology, or operations. It's an organizational mindset change that will speed time to market, improve your product, and enhance developer experience. The hiring pitfall. You can't hire your way to a hybrid future, but you can build the foundations and let it grow. There's a good chance you'll find the people you need right inside your organization. The headspace pitfall. Take grunt work away from the people who can really think how to bring your business into a brighter future. The cloud waste pitfall. Scaling your business without taking care of cloud spending and waste first can lead to unexpected costs and risks. Lock it down before it gets out of hand. The eggs in a basket pitfall. Sure, certain cloud vendors might try to convince you it's a good idea, but everyone knows that all your eggs in one basket is a bad one. Hybrid cloud is more work, but it's a solid bet on your future. The automation pitfall. Whether it's the next 10 months or 10 years, your devs will not like the idea of losing their automation to a platform you eventually leave. Not all providers lock you in though, so the onus is on you to check. All in all, you can watch out for pitfalls, or you can plan to do better. Download the free ebook that shows you how.